Hey everyone, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 18 Thursday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, so this is going to be day 3 of our review with the new study guide. So we are actually going to go ahead and get started with question number, hold on just a second, let me just check. Oh yeah. We're going to go ahead and get started with question number, let's do number 25. That looks good. Okay, so for question number 25 on your new guide, your study guide, you have this right here. So you're going to have to do something called FOIL, where it is going to be the first term, so 7x and 7x, which is 49x squared, and then outer for O, 7x times 9, 63x, inside for I, negative 63x, and then last, which is going to give you a negative 81. Okay, and so then here, you're going to go ahead and combine them, which is a 0x. So really your answer is just going to be 49x squared minus 81. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at number 26. Number 26, 27, 36, and 45. What can you take out from all of that? Excuse me. You can take out 9. X to the 4th, x squared, x. You can also take out an x. So then let's take a look to see what can we put back into this. So 27 divided by 9 is a 3. If I take out 1x, I have 3x left. 36 divided by 9 is a 4. If I take out 1x, I have an x left. 45 divided by 9 is a 5. If I take out an x, there's no more x's. So then which one matches this equation right here? Ta-da, right there. All right, let's take a look at question number 27. So this is factorable. So you're asking yourself, okay, what times what gives me 30? But then when I add it together, it gives me 11. So if you look at this, okay, I could do 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 5 and 6. Which one adds up to 11? This one adds up to 31, 17, 11. So my answer is x plus 5, x plus 6. If one of the answer is already 6, what is the other missing number? Oops, wrong color. X plus 5, which is D. All right, let's take a look at number 28. For number 28, you're asking yourself, okay, what times what gives me a 12x squared? 3x and 4x. What times what gives me a negative 2? You got to do a little bit of guessing. You could do a negative 1 and a positive 2, but then when you crisscross and add them, they have to give you a middle negative 5. So that's 6x minus 4x. Oops, that's not going to work. So let's try a different variation. How about 2 and negative 1? Crisscross. Does that give me, oh, that gives me a positive 5. Not quite. So then in which case, this came pretty close. But what if I do a 2 and a 1, but make that negative and a positive? Guess what? That's a winning combination. It does give me a negative 5. So your answer is just going to go across, and it is 3x minus 2, 4x plus 1. So is it A, B, C, or D? Question number 29 says, determine which expressions are equivalent to this. So first I'm going to do is going to FOIL this, which is going to give you an x squared minus 3x minus 10. Don't forget your negative here, which makes that into a negative x squared, positive 3x, positive 10. And it does equal that, so that's the first one. Now let's take a look at the second one. Second one, if I were to FOIL this, 5x minus x squared plus 10 minus 2x. So if I rewrite this, Does it equal that? Yes, it does. So that's also qualifying. I can tell you right now that that's not going to qualify because it's not going to give you the negative x. Now let's take a look at I. So negative x squared, positive 5x, negative 2x plus 10. Rewrite that. You get a positive 3x plus 10. So that's also an answer. And then lastly, I have this one. Negative times a negative is a positive, so that doesn't work. So F, G, A, and I are your answers. Last one, question number 30. Which of the following is a factor of this? So I can take out a 3, x squared minus 4. But then also you can take an x minus 2 and an x plus 2. So which one is a factor? This one is a factor. All right, you guys. Next one I have you guys do is you're going to do a little bit of flashcards. You're going to go to this link right here, and you are going to create flashcards using these words. So coming over here, these are all the words that you have. Click on it. This is the answer. And I would suggest you pick any questions that you don't know how to do and then create flashcards for them. All right, guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.